Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Let's Play. Hier ist wieder euer Anulu. Hallo, wir spielen heute NBA 2K15. Ich weiß noch nicht, wie lange ich das werde spielen. Wir spielen jetzt einfach mal ein schnelles Spiel, also ich habe noch keine Karriere und nichts angefangen. Wir spielen jetzt mal mit dem besten Team, das es jemals gegeben auf der Welt, mit den 95 Chicago Bulls, mit dem Harper, Jordan, Pippen, Rodman und Longley. Gegen 293 Charlotte Hornets. Mit dem kleinen Moment. Schaut mal da. Mit dem Maxi Bogues, mit dem kleinen Cape, mit dem Kendall Gill, mit dem Wingate, mit dem Grandma Johnson und mit dem Alonzo Mourning. Ich würde mal sagen, wir legen mal los. Gespannt rein am Ohren. Mal gucken. 14 habe ich ja recht regelmässig gespielt. Aber dazu mal noch auf der Playstation, das ist jetzt auf dem PC. Nice, nice.
Courtesy of Gatorade, all fueled up and ready to go. The starting five on the floor. On the floor for Charlotte. Wingate is out there with Johnson. Then there's Gill. Then it's Bogues. And it's Mourning in at the 5. Now here's Bogues. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Mourning can't make it work.
On Jordan am Ball.
Jordan against Bogues. Corner shot. And he
schönes Cuddy.
MJ finding his man right there.
Right wing.
Ui, fast hat er gekommen.
Jordan against Gill. Wingate a screen on Rodman. Johnson.
Rodman ist ein bisschen langsam gewesen. Also gerade Grandma schneller. Gib it.
On defense, the Hornets. Over a minute gone here in the first quarter. Jordan kicks to Harper. Bulls moving the ball.
Oh, jetzt hast du ein bisschen reingekommen.
Bogues dishes to Mourning.
Beautiful feed off the bounce to his teammate there.
So
nicely done.
Here comes Michael Jordan. So just over
MJ.
And that one's good.
Well, they just gave him 2 points. Defensively, you're going to have to tighten things up here. That's not a good sign.
Oi. Didn't MJ.
In transition, here come the Bulls. And he makes no mistake.
Which is dunk.
That's exactly what you want coming off a steal. Get into transition, find an easy basket.
Ja, dem MJ ein bisschen Bits rumsäckeln. Schöner Moment.
Here's Bo.
Oi.
Lets it go from 11.
Ja, dann muss er ja machen.
Harper with the ball. It's Pippen with the drive. By Johnson. Let's find out what Doris Burke has for us.
Hey, Kevin. I was able to talk with Charlotte's head coach for a moment. I asked him how they plan to contain this offense. One of the most prolific in the league.
Bis die da reagieren, muss ein bisschen früher drücken. Rodman is not the block hero.
That's why they're as good as they are. We just have to play the percentages and try to make sure they're getting the shots we want as opposed to the ones they want.
So hung.
Why Doris thanks, and it seems
mijn eerste vrijwurf.
for a matchup like this against a team that scores so proficiently.
Well, you can't just ignore the firepower they've got. I mean, you got to plan for it. You know, map out a strategy, get guys shots, and see if you can get your team some momentum.
Well, if you don't do that, Steve, then you'll get burned. I mean, sounds like they're prepared for the challenge, though.
And he can't get the second one to drop either. Coming up empty that time. Bogues with it.
Ja, sind meine ersten zwei gewesen, das nimmt mich nicht hoch.
Juren lass staan. Nice pass. He got the ball right into his teammate's shooting pocket. On time and on target.
And in this first quarter, about 3 minutes played. Pass to Long. Outside Pippen. Right side Pippen. Left side Rodman. Lets it go.
Ja, Luther Rodman voor de punt.
Now Bowles.
Ik denk dat hij reingeht.
Just under 3.5 minutes gone here in the first quarter. Now the pass to Wingate. Looks for Mourning, gets it to him.
Wow.
He sticks it in on the jam.
And he bangs down.
Oh, die spin move van MJ, je ding. Danke, dat is het.
He'll take those all day.
Oh, die schöne Schuhe gesehen, der MJ.
Now here's Jordan. Left side Jordan. Fader on the way.
Ja,
Jordan brings the fadeaway.
Looks like he might be on his game today, Clark.
Ik had Trace perlen, ik zei schon geil
Here's
gemacht.
Bowles. He's been patient so far.
Oh, nur het Schnurren gekriegt.
So Chicago ends up going with the new group. So an almost entirely new group in now for Charlotte. Gaddison is
So,
checked in
zweite
for
Karte.
Moore. Newman comes in for Wingate. Curry's checked in for Gill. And Bennett subbed in for Bowles.
Tony Kukoc.
Here's Curry.
Oei, ja, klar is dat in. Ja, voor Steve niet zal schiessen.
A minute 50 left in the first quarter. Chicago trailing here. And here's Kerr. Passes it to Wennington. And it's Chicago scoring again.
Chan.
I think when you got somebody that open on the perimeter,
Echt dran blijven, einfach mal dran.
the only choice.
Then at the pass to Johnson.
Oh, schöne Block.
And he's able to get it back.
Nee, nog een eentje.
They'll get another chance. A shot by Curry.
Oh,
no
schön.
good.
Simpkins, man.
Excellent. Really solid job actually by the defense to get
Where's
him
Tony?
as he was going up.
Oh, Kukoc.
Can't get it to go. Now Bennett. Pass to Newman.
Ja, klasvol van mij. Nee,
Contact gets the shot. He'll go to the free throw line.
zo hong.
Boy, guys, they
We missen
showed
nog.
some great passing on their last few trips down the floor. Excellent.
Yeah, that's four
Ah,
straight
classful.
trips, guys, where their passes have ended up in scores. 4 straight assists.
Was? Te verarschen. Entschuldigung. Irgendwie mein Kästchen geht. Ich habe das Problem gehabt.
19 plays.
Hey guys, let's get your take on the scoring breakdown for the show.
Guys, they're really passing the ball well.
Boe, pui.
You know, it also hasn't taken them long to make their mark in the paint. I mean, they're doing a lot of their scoring from in there.
Dus hebben de Tony maar weer hier mag.
The pass to Bushel. He dishes it to Kukoc.
Ah, schön kann Tony. Oh, die moest hem
Goes
afhouden.
back up, and the layup is up and in. Simpkins got his first pass.
Boy, what a
Ja,
great
is het de
job
Simpkins
making
en de
his own
Rascheret.
second opportunity. He stayed with that play from start to finish.
Right side
Hey.
through. Goes up the baseline.
Oh, kom toch.
And
Oh,
two
Tina,
on
kom,
the
neem dat.
shot.
Oh, schön.
Defense doing there, and he is not the guy to give an open look to, and yet
Oh
he
Gott.
got away with it.
Ja, endlich ist etwas Zeit dort.
That basket gives us another lead change.
And there have been too many of those to
Nice
keep
move,
track
Alter.
of. What a contest.
Now here's Bennett. He kicks it to Johnson. Fades back.
Oh,
And it's Chicago with the rebound.
nicht mit mir.
Simpkins got his third rebound on the night.
It is not
Oh,
been
jetzt
an
weit
easy
weg
quarter
sein.
for
Oh,
them,
der voor einen Wurf,
at
man.
least offensively speaking.
Here's Bennett. It's
Aber lieber
Curry
Tony.
with the drive.
Ja, sicher, offensiv faul, man. Moment. Ja. Ich kann nichts dafür, dass das so klein ist.
It's his first trip to the line.
Pfui.
And he makes the first. Charlotte making
Ja,
the switch.
Curry sollte schon machen, beide. Oh, meine brauchen doch ein bisschen lange Pause. Da.
That was solid. I tell you, he's one of the best there is up there at the foul line.
Kerr with it.
Ei, schade. Nicht mehr mit besser. Ja, ja, wir sind noch dran. Wir sind noch dran. Also bis jetzt macht es einen guten Eindruck. Ja, der Cheerleader. Ja, müssen wir doch ordentlich zuschauen, oder? Im altherwürdigen Bulls-Stadion. Schüttelt Speck. Da wird ich noch lange im Zeug rumhüpfen. So, kleine Quizfrage. Wer hat den roten Stier im Hintergrund gesehen? Ich muss nicht schauen, ich glaube, ich habe selber auch keinen gesehen. Sonst schreiben wir es da drunter.
Here's Pippen. And Charlotte looking at who they've got. They've got Curry. Gill is out there with Bogues. Then there's Mourning. And it's Green in at the
schöner Look.
And he gets it to go.
Asi.
No one team gaining control early on.
Give and take, back and forth the whole way thus far.
Oh, schön. Ron Harper. Nice. Schöner Stil, schöner Abschluss. Ja, der Jordan schon. Ui, der Gleiche hat noch Punkte gemacht. Ist einfach halb so gross als alle. Ja, der Bogues, der ist immer geil. Einfach geht alles dort. Keine Chance hat. MJ.
Defensive breakdowns are starting to show up now. Their last 4 buckets allowed have come from very close range.
Gib mir das Bauer.
Giving up these easy chances.
Du musst eh nicht was machen.
MJ,
da musst du dran sein. Der Rob überhaupt schon Rebound. Hey! MJ, da musst du drücken.
And now a 5-point Bulls lead. And so it's Charlotte with it. Bogues kicks to Mourning. Back to Bogues.
Ah, dran bleiben. Ah, Gielen. Nicht kaufen, der kleine Cape-Top.
Forcing that ball into the paint. Smash mouth basketball.
Yeah, it's a strategy that has served them well in this opening half, Clark.
Now here's Jordan. 10 points for him.
Hey.
And we're about 2 minutes into the second
Ich mit
quarter.
dem Dreier. Pippen.
Oh.
Nur eine schöne Bewegung.
Johnson, he's checked in for the Hornets. Wingate comes in for Curry.
Meiner bleiben. Großmutter kommt wieder. Die es nicht kennen, am 2. Johnson, sein Spitzname, war aber Grant Mann.
Jordan against Bogues.
Er hat mal so einen Werbespot gemacht, oder so Großmutter gespielt. Danke. Hey, was für ein Pass vom MJ.
the Hornets with the ball. Pass to Gill.
Schwenker. MJ. Oh.
And that's out of bounds. Charlotte
Fast.
will retain possession. Here in the second quarter, we've played a little over 2.5 minutes now.
Schöner Luke.
Mechanics are just all out of whack now. He just has no feel for his shot.
Well, his numbers certainly back
Hier müssen wir mal.
up.
Ah, Scotty, man.
Ice cold here.
Hornets trailed by 5. Clark, they've been looking out of sync offensively.
You know what? A basket here would do a lot.
Oh, schönes Team.
Here's Pippen.
Hey,
Wingate.
wo ist der rein?
Was ready for him that time, and they had to be. He is so powerful in the lane.
Charlotte moving it around.
Oh, schöne Finte von Grossmütter.
Just by Bogues.
Offensively, he can be the engine that drives them at any given time.
The Bulls leading by 3.
Scary.
Pippen with a drive.
Oh, verdankt.
Morning's got 4 rebounds in this game. Here's Wingate.
Oh, oh, Dennis. Ah, wo ist er?
And it's good on the way.
Ah, Rodman, nicht mehr unter dem Court, man.
Got his second best.
He got a great read of where that miss was going, and that allowed
Ei,
him
ei,
to be
ei,
the
is
first
dit
guy
Austin.
to it and get the putback.
Jordan the pass to Rodman.
Dennis. 2 minutes, Rodman.
And now the first time out called here for the Hornets. We've seen Michael Jordan really have a great game.
He's getting to the rack all
Ja, die habe ich gesehen, würde ich sagen.
Good job of keeping him out of the paint. They're in for a long night.
So both teams changing it up here.
Der geht jedes Mal, müssen wir so nicht anschauen.
Hornets trailed by 3.
Sie hat auch ein NBA-Spiel in der
The pass
Piepsche.
to Newman. Now the dish to Johnson.
Oh, ich würde sagen, der geht nicht,
It's been
Alter.
a real difficult game for him offensively, and it's costly.
Hey, Tony. Schöner Kukoc.
Kukoc has got the lead up to 5 now for the Bulls.
Defense pretty much helpless there, stopping that layup. I think too much of a mismatch in terms of height.
And that's out of bounds. Charlotte will retain.
Fast hat er ihn verwünscht.
The Bulls making
Der Rest sieht auch geil aus, hä?
Jordan's checked in.
Jordan, check-in. Haben wir. Hey, ich habe Gänsehaut. MJ kommt.
Right at the
Wow,
free throw
wow,
line.
wow, wow.
This is off the left iron.
Schöne Dicke.
All he needed right there was simply to set himself up and then relax and shoot the ball.
Ui, spät los. Ah, Jordan macht.
For no reason. Kevin, he's definitely making his presence felt here in the first half. He's been
Für
very
MJ ist
effective so
verlost
far.
und
Hornets
12
trail
Punkte.
by 7. Now here's Bennett.
Ui, ui, ui. Oh, fast hat er verrutscht.
Left in the second quarter. 13 feet away.
Hey, das ist ein Schwenk, Grossi.
6 points for Johnson.
Whatever their plan was defensively that time,
Was hat
it
er
didn't work.
blockt?
Not if it results in that shot.
Kerr with it. Bennett's there. 11 feet away.
Ja,
Misses.
was ist Gott.
Johnson with the defensive effort.
Natürlich auch noch später loslassen.
Newman the pass to Bennett. There's the screen. Johnson at the elbow. Passes it to Newman.
Oh, Uhr lass stehen.
That one
Tony da.
Johnson
Das ist alt ausgesehen.
Now just a 3-point Chicago lead.
Kevin, too easy. I mean,
Ja,
the defenders
Vorsprung
were sort of
schrumpft.
looking at each other like, whose man was he? And everybody thought somebody else was going to guard him, and nobody did.
And
Oh, Steve Kerr, 3-pointer.
Hornets trail by 6. And here's Bennett. Pass to Newman. The feet to Johnson. 9 feet out.
Ah, zu spät kommt wieder. Ja,
Johnson's got 8 points.
Grossi mit den Fadeaways, schon früher immer da.
Quick release.
And operating on the perimeter like that negates some of the height of this
Oh.
too.
Ja, jetzt halt nicht mehr.
Close game as we wrap up the second quarter.
Halbzeit.
It's the Bulls up by 4. And we'll be back right after halftime to get the third quarter underway.
Schön, 4 Punkte Führung zur Halbzeit. In der letzten Pause waren wir noch einen Haker. Oh, nicht schlecht. Nicht mal so übliche Quote. Zum Glück haben sie jetzt 3 Punkte nicht gezeigt. Im richtigen Spiel hat der Rod einfach etwa schon 10 Rebounds. Ja, ich drücke jetzt mal ab. Wir haben es einmal gesehen. Aus dem 8 haben sie überhaupt verschiedenes Zeug gemacht, dass das mal das Gleiche ist.
Harper is out there with Jordan. Then it's Rodman. And it's Pippen in at the small forward. That's the 5 out there for the Bulls. Longley. The putback is no good.
Du nachher kannst du nicht mehr zum Korb.
Pippen against Bogues. Johnson, the pass to
Oi. Nein, doch nicht.
Moving the ball around. Rodman brings the double team.
Ja, noch ein bisschen Mühe manchmal.
Shot clock at 6. Here's Gill.
Ja.
And Charlotte again with the bucket.
Das ist klar, dass da drin ist.
Chicago leading.
Und MJ. Zieht Lotti durch.
Here's Jordan.
Kommt Lotti. Macht noch. MJ.
Jordan's got 14 points.
Boy, such outstanding patience and decision making for them offensively.
Absolutely. They're
Oh, nicht kaputt hier, das ist fies.
standing there, piling up the assists.
Oh, was für ein Pass, Mann.
Nice pass. That one was
Schade, da hätte ich den gleich blocken können.
And with a little over a minute gone, the second half is underway. Jordan against Gill. Here's Harper.
Das ist nichts.
Gill with the rebound.
That's a shot that he sometimes struggles with, but you can't fault him for taking it when the defense backs off like that.
Bogues kicks to Johnson.
Ui. Ja, komm jetzt.
Misses at a
Oh,
chance
schöner
to tie it
Rebound.
there.
Zieh ihn.
And here we go with Scottie Pippen.
Oh, MJ.
From MJ.
He's a big
Ja, ich hoffe,
reason
der
why
gibt
they
den
have the
Alley-oop.
lead right now. He's made all of his field goal attempts thus far and remains hot from the floor.
Oh, 8. Oh, schön.
Here we go.
Zieh ihn, Harper. Zieh ihn, Harper.
Here's Harper.
Nice.
Nice ops and determination that time. Hard to get to the rim.
You know he can bounce, and right there an example of how dangerous he is when he's got a
Und Tauge kochen.
And you love the
Oh,
versatility,
schöner
guys.
Pass.
Being a point guard, and in this situation,
Defense.
2 more points, expanding the lead, and a really deflating way for the defense.
Now here's more.
Oh,
He's got 2.
Mina. Nein, so hung, sicher nicht. Er wäre raus, Mann. Hupet.
He got there late, but you do have to
Yay,
be
so
aggressive
good.
to go after the block, but that one's going to count.
And the Hornets making a change
lieber.
here. Curry's checked in. The Bulls
Ich ist
leading by
Goaltending
4.
gewesen, Mann.
Kicks it to Rodman. It's Jordan on the wing.
Ei.
Coming up as he misses that one. Drawing the whistle on a lot
Das
of
ist der erste, den er nicht gemacht hat. Aber auch nur, weil er gefoult ist worden.
Barely off with that attempt.
I don't think you can fault him right there.
Einfach mal
A
den
lot
Boden
of
geknallt.
contact on that one.
Bulls shooting their third and fourth free throw attempts of the game. Free throw good. Jordan.
Etwas zu spät. Jordan gleich, der ist gleich drin. MJ. Auf 1 Tröpfchen Schweiß, ja, so war er auch gewesen.
Second free throw, no
Das
good.
3 ist nicht
The
gut.
main thing there was that he got them a 2-possession lead despite the 1 miss.
Morning with the screen. Bogues dishes to Curry. And the pass to Gill. Back to Curry. He feeds it to Bogues.
Das ist ein Schwenker. Und gib ihn.
They get a hand.
Ei. Atti.
And the dunk by Jordan.
Well, this is how
Nice. Was für ein Angriff.
On the ball defense to trigger the transition opportunity.
And it wasn't just the tough D, it was the exclamation point they put on the fast break with the slam.
Here's Curry. The Bulls getting the ball.
Oh, ja, dat stimmt. Nicht. Hat früher aber fast jeder geprägt, der Curry. MJ. Unstoppable.
It seems like when they've gone to him, he's really come through. And that's not something they should get away from.
Bogues against Charger. Bogues the pass to Curry. Here's Gill.
Oh, schöner Stil gewesen von Rodman.
Jordan kicks to Rodman. The kick out to Harper.
Three-pointer.
To extend the lead to double digits, but it's no good.
Das ist zu viel, weil...
Into Johnson.
Ja, grosse LA von dem Chor.
As that one goes in. 10 points for Johnson.
Kevin, he's been a bright spot in what's otherwise been a little bit of a struggle for this team.
Jordan kicks to Hart.
Oh, Ronnie, dat moest machen.
Morning's got 6 rebounds now in the game. Pippen against Bogues.
Hoi, 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 hoi. Hij is time-out hebben. Dat was ook wachsen.
To make your adjustments pretty quickly, like he's doing here. Otherwise, you know, things can get out of hand. So this is a good timeout.
Okay, die wechselen elkaar. Het is 2 erop. Dat is een goede. Kerr, ja, Pippen is nog daar.
And Steve Kerr is subbed in for Ron Harper. Now here's Kerr. Pennington. And there's the foul on
ja, ganz klar, ganz klar.
That's a foul on Sharp.
Ah, ik verletzt hij daar. Dat is een Billy. Nog opgelost, hè?
Well, it's been an outstanding game for them in the open court. Their fast break points really stand out.
2-13, Riesenvieh. Ja, das prophezeien. Beide macht er nicht. Ui. Wie gesagt. Oh, schöner Billy.
Boy, I tell you what, he does not look like your typical big man up there at the line. He has an excellent stroke and a percentage to match.
Here's Gaddison.
Wow, Tony Finte gewesen, so okay. Oh, Kukoc rebound. Was zum Kerr. Und Billy. Nein! Oh. Schöner Dickie. Ding, noch Bonus Freiburg. Nein, schön gewesen hier. Oh, kläglich versagt. Eine Position hier. Oh, Kukoc, Rebound. Ah, das Ziehen ist gerade, komm. Ziehen! Schöne. Scotty Pippen.
Here's Bogues after the made shot from Scotty Pippen. Bogues dishes to Morning.
Ui, da ist der Leila stehen, wo er nicht geschossen hat. Ja, aber das stimmt, 3-Point. Wow. Wow. Ja, jetzt bin ich ein bisschen im Schilf gestanden.
See too many plays like that when they were digging this hole for themselves.
No, maybe they'll start making up for it now.
That's all about
effort and
anticipation, and they're finally getting some of that.
Dwelling.
They've got to continue to put pressure on the defense by probing inside. That's what's really working for them.
And when you're doing
früher haben sie noch unkonventionelle Moves gehabt zum Teil. Oh, kommt doch der Block auf. Kukoc, 3-Pointer. Schöner Tony. Kaching.
Another pass put right into the shooter's pocket, right in the shooting pocket. A terrific assist. They've done a lot of that today.
Yeah, it's something we
Ah, Schwenker, schade, ist nicht geschossen. Ja. Kannst du nicht bringen.
Here's Kerr. He got it up in time, but it wouldn't fall for him. And as we end the third quarter, a double-digit deficit will make it tough to come back.
Wahnsinns Vierter gewesen, da, wow.
And we'll be back with you right after this.
So sind wir wieder back im vierten Viertel. Genug Viertel, da kann ich.
Well, he mans that position for a reason, Kevin, because he passes the ball so well, sets up his teammates.
Wir haben noch zweite Garde
really gets
getroffen.
this offense into a nice rhythm.
Delivering the pass important, but putting the pass in the right place for shooters, as you well know, you.
Schöner Tony.
Charlotte, looking at who they've got.
Richtige Rebound-Maschine.
Then there's Mourning, then it's Newman, and it's Johnson in at the 4. Now here's Jordan. Kukoc from outside.
Tony. Oh.
Johnson grabs the miss. And a fast break now for the Hornets. Here's Gill.
Oh, ja.
Gill's got the first basket as we get going in the fourth for the Hornets.
Didn't really try to take on the
Es ist ein bisschen ernst geblieben. 10 Punkte sind gleich schnell geholt, wenn man die blöd tut.
Kerr kicks to Rodman.
Ah, schöner Tennis. Freak von der Liga. Ui. Nein, nein, da. Oh. Wow.
Unstoppable offense from both teams. I love the pace this game has been played at.
So does everybody else in the building. This has been a fun one.
Das müssen wir ja machen. Da. Das ist schön freigespielt.
It sure did. A good job getting it started and a better job finishing it off.
Kerr, the pass to Long.
Ah, schön.
For the easy two. Credit the assist on that one.
Gotta love the
Schöner Pass gewesen.
and over the defense.
Hornets trailed by 10.
Timeout. Du kannst ja neben denen stehen, ist du auf.
Charlotte calls timeout. And with the fourth quarter push.
Stimmung machen.
Gatorade, recharging their bodies, refocusing their minds, and getting that strategy down to close out the game. Ron Harper, he's checked in for Steve Kerr. And a switch here also for Charlotte.
Ja, schöner Spin-Move gewesen.
And now Doris Burke has an update from the sideline.
Das war ein richtiger Oldschool-Move gewesen.
Kevin, I got a chance to hear what head coach of the Hornets said to his team. He didn't exactly take it easy on them, saying, "How much do you want it? Don't tell me. Show me out there. We have to play better. We have to play harder if we're going to come back, guys."
MJ, 3 points. Ei. Oh, was hat er noch gehabt, Tony? Ah, geil, Kumpel doch. Oh, erst Rebound vom Dennis Rodman. MJ. Oh, ja, schade. Ja, der nice gewesen. Ja, das hat er aber der oben gemacht. Ja, stimmt. Spät, ein bisschen früher. Das ist jetzt früher, aber es ist gleich da. Das ist die Hauptsache. Ball ist da.
Well, the athleticism of the players is just off the charts over the last 2+ decades. So just about everybody.
Oh, schönes Stil gewesen, MJ. Ah, die. Nice Angriff, Mann. Ah, der mit dem Falschen. Oh, noch einmal. Wow, jetzt geht sie gerade unten wie ein Moor. Oh, schon gerade fast wieder ein Stil. Ah, Timeout, müssen sie. So. Die letzten 2,47.
Here's Bowes. To end the run. And
Oh, ja. Also nehmen wir wieder ein Timeout. Hey, gegen den Schulm rausnehmen. Okay.
So good today, he may have to take it upon himself to try to get his club out of this hole.
The Bulls leading by 13. Here's Harper. Another one falls for Chicago.
Müssen wir ein bisschen aufpassen. Ja, mit der Rodman vorderst. Oh, schon wieder gestielt. Schade. Fast hat man verwirrt. Ja, ey, mach schon etwas mit dem Ball.
Passes it to Gill. Pocket four. You know what? Great D that.
Oh, schöner Rebound.
Guys, they have a really solid lead at this point.
You know, definitely that's the case. I mean, there hasn't been much resistance at all.
And he gets
Nur MJ, was machen so.
He has really punished these defenders today. No matter who's been on him, he's been giving them that.
30 Punkte. Ah, aber das 2 kann man sich auch blocken. Ah, das ist der Kumpel. Ah, schöner Rebound gewesen. 2 von mir haben nicht verwünscht.
Chicago leading by 15.
Well, what we saw here tonight is one team just had everything going for it, and the other did huge margin of victory for Chicago.
Schöner Tony.
Must be happy that they controlled their turnovers so well in this game.
Yeah, I like the discipline, the self-control, and the patience, Kevin.
Here's Bowes. The Bulls getting the bucket. Morning inside.
Hey, dranbleiben. Wow. Ja, das ist doch schön durchgesetzt.
You know, this last draft class was one that had been
ich glaube, die
hyped up
Minute
for
wird
such a long
länger.
time with the big names, primarily Wiggins, Parker, and Embiid, all being viewed as potential franchise players. I'm not quite sure of that, but they certainly are tremendous talents. A lot of teams knew that.
Hey, Rodman, offensive rebound. Hey.
Some franchise.
3 on 3. Another steal.
Oh, schöner Stil gewesen.
The drive by Jordan. Here's Rodman. And it's good. Assisting on the play was Jordan. And the Bulls lead by 17. Steve, you were general manager in the NBA and NBA coach now, but you know that the teams that know they're not going to make the playoffs will play younger players as opposed to perhaps some veterans. Giving those younger players time to develop, maybe not necessarily securing wins, but certainly securing experience for those kind of players.
Jordan noch neben durchgekommen. So, letzte 14 Sekunden.
But I think it's the preferable method for teams to go that route these days rather than to just hang around the middle of the league in mediocrity.
From about 19 feet.
Ja, zum Longley. Wow, nice. Was für ein Match, was für ein Sieg. Fantastisches Team. Geiles Game, läuft auch super flüssig. Super. Wow, nice. Ich hoffe, es hat euch genauso gefallen wie mir. Merci vielmals fürs Zuschauen. Ich wünsche euch noch einen ganz schönen Rest. Tschüss zusammen, euer Anulu.